Hi, in this video learn how to manage your website banners. To manage your website banners, navigate to website, templates, click on customize template. So on the banner, click and then click on edit banner. On the right hand side, you can see all the banners added. So if you want to pin any particular banner uh, on, on the website, so you just need to click here and the banner will be pinned. That means when the end users will visit your website, so they will see this pinned banner first, and they can you know go to the next banner by clicking on the directional or the pagination option available. Now if you want to select the directional control, select here, and on the banner, so the end users will see the directional control. And you can also enable the pagination, which is already enabled here. And if you want to enable the auto slide option, so here click on the auto slide option, and you can select the timing here. By default it is set to 5 seconds. So if you want to scroll the banners automatically, let's say after 3 seconds, 2 seconds, or 10 seconds, so that you can also type here. And then once it is done, then you can click on save and publish. So all these options that you have selected will be saved and published, and it will be reflected on the website. So as you can see that the directional control is there. So here you can see the arrow mark. So you can scroll banners like this, and auto scroll is also enabled. So you can see the banner is automatically scrolling here. The pagination is also there. Here you can see, and users can click on this and they can move on to the next banner. So this is how we can add different controls for the banner and manage your website banners. Thank you for watching.